everyone, it's me Jenny and welcome to the channel Lovingly Knee. So in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this flower right here. This is how it looks like. This is from the top, the side, and the back. Okay, so for these 4 flowers right here I crochet using DK weight yarn or lightweight yarn number 3 and crochet hook 3mm crochet hook. But in this tutorial I'm going to use thicker yarn, this yarn right here. This is a medium weight yarn number 4 or worsted weight yarn, and the crochet hook that I'll be using for this tutorial is 4mm. Okay, the reason I'm going to use thicker yarn for this tutorial is so that it's easy to see visually. And yeah, without further ado, let's start. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to do this middle part right here. We're going to start by making a magic loop. This is how I do my magic loop. Wrap the yarn around fingers and hold it right there. Twist the yarn and hold it right here. Hook in the loop, yarn over, and pull the yarn through the loop. Okay, so you made the magic loop or magic ring. Now we're going to start round 1. We're going to start with chain 1, and this chain 1 does not count as stitch count. And now we're going to make 9 half double crochet stitch. Okay, so to make half double crochet stitch, you're going to yarn over, hook in this loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your crochet hook. Now you're going to yarn over and bring the yarn through all 3 loops. Okay, so you made the first half double crochet stitch. Now we're going to make total 9 half double crochet stitch. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so after you made 9 half double crochet, we're going to close the hole at the middle by pulling this tail right here. Okay, now we're going to finish up with slip stitch. We're going to slip stitch at the first half double crochet stitch right here. Okay, so now we're going to do round 2. We're going to start with chain 1. This chain 1 does not count as stitch count. Now we're going to make 9 single crochet stitch around. So basically we're going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, starting right here at the first stitch. To make a single crochet, you're going to bring hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your crochet hook. Now yarn over and bring the yarn through both loops. Okay, so 1, 2, okay, so after you made 9 single crochet, now go ahead and slip stitch at the first stitch right here. This is how it looks like. Now we're going to do round 3. We're going to repeat exactly same as round 2, where we're going to start with chain 1 and we're going to make 9 single crochet stitch around. So 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so once you're done, go ahead and slip stitch at the first stitch right here. Now we're going to chain 1 to secure stitches and you're going to cut the yarn. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do the petals. There are a total of 10 petals right here. So you're going to grab any color yarn of your choice. We're going to make a slip knot. And now we can start in any stitch right here. I normally start where I finish. Okay, so now we're going to bring the loop through the stitch. And now we're going to chain 8. And I do suggest you to chain loosely because we're going to crochet the petals in the back bum of the chain. Okay, so we're going to make 8 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after you chain 8, now we're going to start our first stitch at the second chain, 1, 2, and we're going to crochet at the back bum. So this is the back of the chain, so this is the front and this is the back, and we're going to crochet in each of these bum right here. Okay, we're going to start from the second chain, 1, 2, and the back is right here. We're going to do 7 half double crochet stitch. So second chain, 1, next chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is right here, 7. Okay, so you made the first petal. To finish up, we're going to slip stitch at the next stitch. So this is the stitch where we start, and this is the stitch we're going to end each petal. Okay, so we made the first petal. This is how it looks like. Now to make the second petal, we're going to continue where we finish or we end the first petal. We're going to chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we're going to make 7 half double crochet stitch. We're going to start from the second chain, 1, 2, and all the stitches we're going to crochet at the back bump of the chain. Okay, so 1, 2, first stitch is at the second chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is right here, 7. Okay, and we're going to slip stitch at the following stitch or the next stitch right here. Okay, so far I made 2 petals. Now you're going to repeat until you make a total of 10 petals, and I'll see you once you're done. Okay, so once you made your last petal, you're going to slip stitch at this first petal right here. Chain 1 to secure stitches, and you're going to cut the yarn. There you have it. This is how it looks like. So I do hope you find this tutorial easy to follow. If you have any question, leave your question at the comment section down below. I'll try my very best to reply. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and share this video with your fellow crochet friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And don't forget to click on the bell notification. That way you'll be notified every time when I upload a video. And for now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless and